Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And in previous session we have understood the imports goods pick up from the supplier in air shipment. So we have covered some point which you can see on the screen. The request received from the department, user department, and how logistic will execute this import request. Okay, so appointing the freight forwarders, okay, and when material is ready at the supplier end, logistic team appoint the freight forwarder. Okay, so this thing we have covered in previous session, you can see on the screen. So in the example of express import terms we have covered. So in this term we have understand here we are the importer and this is the supplier. Okay, so all the expenses from the picking goods from the shipper to importer factory, all import expense bear by the importer. Okay, in the case of FOB, the expense from the port of loading of the supplier side, all the expense up to our factory will bear by the importer. So with this example is the express in which we have pick up the goods from the overseas. So the step we are received like the goods dispatched from the supplier and goods received in India. So in between other more important stage we will cover. Okay, so when supplier dispatch the goods from overseas, he send the available draft copy to approve by importer. Okay, so if we understand with the example, our we are importer here and our import user department team request to import a machinery parts from the Germany. Okay, so we have appointed freight forwarder after receive the information regarding that goods are ready at the supplier end. So the supplier, the freight forwarder will pick the goods from overseas for our factory. So in this process, when he pick up any shipping airline in case of air, so he send the airway bill to check out the details regarding the airway bill. Okay, so what details need to check out on the airway bill is who is the importer, who is the exporter address, and what is the port of loading, port of discharge, item descriptions. Okay, and freight is prepaid or collect. So what will be the which incoterms will be in express like it. What is the payment in the airway bill? So if here the express term, so airway bill will be the freight collect. Okay, freight collect. We need to understand this because that all expenses bear by the consignee here. Okay, so this airway bill will be the term mentioned as a freight collect, not prepaid. If shipment is CIF, and in this case the freight will be the prepaid. So we need to check out all details in the bill draft while approving this airway bill copy. This is a airway bill draft copy. So we have to check all the details like address of the both importer and exporter, port of loading, port of discharge, and item description, HSN, and other details to be checked out. Then after approving this, next process is supplier send us the pre-intimation document which we need to submit to our CHA because we have appointed freight forwarder who will picking the goods from the overseas, but the custom clearance agent will be the different. So he will picking goods and appointing these all things. Okay, so another step which is when we submit the document received from the supplier to the freight forwarder, then freight forwarder will share this detail regarding to us. Okay, so in this process the documents which receive from the supplier, we have to share its custom house agent. Okay, he filed the bill of entry in the custom before arrival this good at our Indian port. Okay, so this is the necessary conditions to file the bill of entry before shipment arrive at the Indian airport. Okay, then our CHF freight forwarder will prepare and share the checklist in which we have to check the all details regarding the import shipment, like address of the importer and exporter, port of loading, port of discharge, item description, weight of the shipments, and all the details which mention the checklist need to be checked out and approved. So once we approve the checklist, the bill of entry generate after IGM file the carrier like a shipping line. Okay. The next stage is we need to make, just once shipment is reached at the Indian port, we need to make the custom duty payments. Then shipment will out of charge from the custom. Okay, and we also have to pay the charges of the delivery orders, in which we have to pay the charges of the documentation charges of the airline. Okay, then finally when we paid the custom duty and delivery charges, then shipment will get out of charge. Okay, so we have to coordinate with the EA bill from transporter to our plants. Okay, then appointing the transporter, and then shipment will deliver it to our factory. Okay, so mainly thing need to understand here, we have to coordinate for the different department, different the stakeholder to complete this import step down. Okay, so guys, we have understood in the session how to proceed this import process. Okay, so that guys, we are just going to end this session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.